Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to apply for the Halifax Clarity Card right here. So to get started, first you need to come here and click on check your eligibility to complete an eligibility check. Let me show you the eligibility criteria that they actually have. Okay, now for example, for one, you need to be a UK resident, age 18 or over, with a regular annual income. And you are basically free of county court judgments, individual voluntary agreements, or bankruptcies, and you're not unemployed or a student. And you've also not been declined a Halifax bank credit card within the last 30 days. And if you meet those criteria, you can come here and apply with them on their website. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions if you found this helpful.